Good morning, students. You should have listened to Jingle 13 and Jingle 14 to learn about pronouns and subject pronouns. A pronoun is a special word that can take the place of a noun in a sentence. A pronoun can stand for a person, place, thing, or idea. So think of it as a substitute. So in the example, the boys played hard, but they did not win. Instead of saying the boys played hard, but the boys did not win, and using the boys 2 times in the sentence, we substitute it the second time with they. Okay, they takes the place of boys. So the first type of pronoun that we will learn, because there are several types, is a subject pronoun. And it takes the place of the subject noun in a sentence. And as you heard in the subject pronoun jingle, only certain pronouns can be subject pronouns. There are 7. I, we, he, she, it, they, and you. And like subject nouns, they answer who or what. And we label subject pronouns with capital S, capital P. So let's try some sentences together with labeling, and then you can work on your homework page. So number 1 says, they danced to the song. First, we're going to look to see if there are any prepositions. There is one. 2. To what? Song. Object of the preposition. The is an article adjective. Who or what danced? They. Subject pronoun. SP. What is being said about they? They danced. Verb. Now, when we go to do our pattern, they is just taking the place of a noun. So the main parts are still a noun and a verb. So we still have subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Even though it's not a subject noun, this pronoun is taking the place of a noun. So subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. What type of sentence is number 1? They danced to the song. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Number 2 is a little more specific. They danced with gusto to the loud song at the party. Make sure you look at your preposition list. With is a preposition. With what? Gusto. Object of the preposition. To is another preposition. To what? Song. Object of the preposition. What kind of song? Loud. Adjective. The article adjective. At is also a preposition. At what? Party. Object of the preposition. The article adjective. It's so important to make sure that you find all the prepositions first, because now our sentence is only showing they danced. So who danced? They. Subject pronoun. They did what? Danced. Verb. Again, we have a subject pronoun, but it is taking the place of a noun. So our pattern is subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. And this is another period statement declarative sentence. In sentence number 3, Paula worked on several art projects with Miss Turner after school. Always find the prepositions first. On. Preposition. On what? Projects. Object of the preposition. What type of projects? Art. Adjective. How many art projects? Several. Adjective. With is another preposition. With who? Miss Turner. Now, Miss Turner is her name. So we put object of the preposition above the full name. We don't need to have labels for each word, Miss and Turner. And after is a preposition. After what? School. Object of the preposition. So now the only things we have left are Paula and worked. So who worked? Paula. Subject, noun. That's a name. Paula. Subject, noun. What is being said about Paula? Paula worked. Verb. Again, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. And this is another period, statement, declarative sentence. So the only new skill that we learned today was the subject pronouns. Remember, you can listen to the jingle to remember all 7 of them. We label subject pronouns with SP. Now you can do your homework.